I came across this bracelet style while lazy scrolling, so I decided to make my own version for the shop. First things first, let's talk cords. I always reach for the 1.0mm Chinese cord for projects like this. Why? Well, why not? After 3 years of trial and a lot of error with wax cords, nylon cords, and even some mystery cords I can't name, I found the one. This Chinese cord is shiny, comes in fun, vibrant colors, dries faster than my patience, literally under a minute. It doesn't also fluff like a nervous cat, and is perfect for minimalist styles. Oh, and sealing it. No knots, no drama, just a lighter and you're good to go. And the plot twist, we actually have it in the shop too. I swear this isn't a commercial. Super convenient, but honestly, that's why I keep using it. It just works for me, though of course, I'm always open to trying out new stuff in the future. Time really flies. Imagine it's been 3 long years of hard work, patience, and a whole lot of perseverance. And guess what? I finally nailed this pattern, for real. Honestly, I was stuck in the square knot phase forever. Don't laugh. That's the foundation, okay? The first important step. And back then, I kept asking myself, is it me? Am I the problem? Because no matter how hard I tried, I just couldn't level up. So I jump into other art styles because I get bored fast when I can't figure things out, only to eventually circle back to square one, like literally. But hey, I'm still here, still learning, and finally making progress. Slow and stubborn wins a race, right? Now that we're talking about Chinese cords, did you know they were originally used for practical things like fastening stuff or even recording information? Then over time, they evolved into these beautiful, intricate designs and even became symbols of good fortune. While doing a bit of research, aka my deep dive curiosity mode, I found out that this cord tradition was actually passed down through different dynasties. It's like a cultural thread in Chinese history. And as a certified C-drama fan, hello to the Blue Whisper, the Romance of Tiger and Rose, Prisoner of Beauty, and so many more. Please suggest more C-dramas. I couldn't help but notice these cords popping up all the time, especially in ancient China time setup. The thing that is usually wrapped around the waist of the male or female lead was a jade or stone charm hanging from it. And most of the time, these cords hold deep sentimental value, passed down through generations, gifted by loved ones, or worn as a symbol of one's identity, status, and honor, especially within the palace walls. Of course, it wasn't just about function or tradition. Chinese cords also became a canvas for creativity. People began decorating them with intricate knot patterns such as birds, dragons, Chinese characters, clover leaf, ribbons, fish, and yes, flowers. That's exactly where the inspiration for our initial flower bracelets comes in. In Chinese culture, flower knot patterns represent more than just beauty. They're symbols of elegance, femininity, and even personal growth. It also attracts good fortune and blessings. Just another reason why I love using this material. It's not just cute. It's got history, and now that we're using this historical material, I honestly hope and manifest that whoever ends up wearing these will be blessed with good fortune. Ciao!